Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tommy and I am so excited for this video. I've been waiting for this video for like literally the longest time ever and I'm really excited. Today I will be opening all 3 of Jeffree Star's summer collection mystery boxes. Am I excited? Yes. Yes, I'm really excited. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with myself. There's going to be a lot of good stuff in here and we're doing great. Also, as you guys can see, I already have my full face on, except for I have like really minimal highlighter and no lip because I am super excited to see what I get in here. Hopefully, from what I understand, there is an exclusive liquid lip in both the premium and the medium size box, which I don't remember what it's called, but here we are. So I'm gonna try out that liquid lip today for sure, and I'm almost positive I'm gonna get a highlighter that we can test out. So yeah, if you're interested in that, then stick around. Okay everyone, we are gonna go for the big box first, and I am so excited for this, like really excited, like I cannot wait. Just go ahead and open this really quickly. Ooh. She's real secure, but you know what, it's okay, we got all this under control. Now, of course, first we have the iconic pink wrapping paper. Sorry, I'm doing great so far. Okay, so we have the Money Honey Supreme Frost, which I do not have, and I am so excited to try out. Let me just go ahead and open this up really quick. This is the first item I'm gonna pull out. Oh my god. You guys, look. Just gonna do a little swatch on the back of my hand for you guys. Can you see that? Is that even like, I'm really hoping you guys can see that. So it's giving me kind of like a golden green vibe, and I'm okay with that. It's the green is really minimal. I think this could still look super pretty as a highlight. Also as an eyeshadow, for sure. So this is the first item in the mystery box. These retail for $32. This larger mystery box is $70, so we're pretty much halfway paid for it already with one item. Okay, what else do I see in here? Okay, so the next thing we have is a velour lip scrub. This one is in Rainbow Sherbet. I am so excited to try this out. Let me just go ahead and open it up for you guys. So this is the packaging, of course, iconic. Oh my god. Oh my god, and you guys, it smells like sherbet. Like it smells like I opened a tub and I'm ready to go in with a spoon because I'm watching Netflix and alone and no one can judge me. God, that was a lot of a lip scrub. Okay, well, super excited to try this out. Oh my god, okay. I do not know how much those retail for, but we're just gonna keep going because we're doing great so far. Okay, this is it. This is the one right here. So this is the question mark liquid lip from Jeffree Star Cosmetics that was only released in both the large premium box and the medium sized box, and I am super excited. I'm really sorry, I'm like a little lost for words. This is beautiful. This is iconic. Oh my god. I'm just gonna do like a quick swatch on the back of my hand for you guys. Hello? I can wear this today. This goes with my nails. This goes perfectly with what I'm doing today. I am so excited. This is happening. Not right now, but this is happening. Wow. I believe his liquid lips retail for $18. Don't quote me. Something like that. So yeah, we're really doing great so far. Let me go ahead, while we're on that liquid lip train, it looks like there's 3 other ones in here. There is Celebrity Skin, Poinsettia, and Diva. Let me just go ahead and open up Celebrity Skin really quick. Ooh. I love nudes, and this is like the nude. This is like that one nude. Oh my god. I'm like so excited. You guys can see him. Really living my best life over here. Okay. And then we have Diva. Just go ahead and pop this open real quick. Ooh. I don't know. That's pink. That is pink. Most likely, I will use this as a shadow over a lip. I might combine it with another lip, but I can't see myself just going like Britney bitch all up in here. You know what I'm saying? Okay. One more. Ooh. It's like a red metallic moment. Really struggling here. Come on. Wow. Just wow. That's so beautiful, you guys. Obsessed. Okay. Moving on. I actually really wanted one of these. I wanted this really bad. This is one of his metal straws. This is pink, obviously. It's the strawberry metal straw, and I'm so excited. Okay. We also have a pop socket here. It looks like this one is in the summer collection orange. I like it. Orange is not my favorite color, but I like it. Good. Okay. Ooh, okay. It looks like you have a velour lip liner. I'm just gonna be acting this way. I guess I opened it from the wrong side. Okay. Perfect. This one is called Doll Parts. Look at the packaging on this. Like, I saw the reveal and I was like, but in person, it just is really making me want to take my pants off. Like, right now. Oh my god. That is like, wait, does this match the, hold on. Hold on. I bet you money. It's close. I feel like you could still do it. Yeah. I mean, it's close, as you guys can see. I feel like it's doable, for sure. It feels luxe. The packaging is amazing, as usual. Wouldn't expect anything less. Okay, and it looks like the last item is a t-shirt in the small, which is what I ordered. I want to say that this might be the Hi, How Are You one, but I don't know. So let's go ahead and open it and find out. Oh my god, yes, it is. Okay, I'm just gonna turn this around for you guys to see. It is the Hi, How Are You one. So excited. Okay. Amazing. That is the first mystery box done. I know for a fact that I got my money's worth out of this one. Oh my goodness. Like, oh, I gotta keep these two out. We're just gonna put the rest in the box because I have limited working space here and we have a lot more to go through. Also, I'm gonna keep the Money Honey here, but we'll see if there is a better highlighter that I like. Not that I don't like that one, it's great, but there could be another one. There could be. Okay, so let's go ahead and go into the medium box. Ooh, okay, so the tissue wrapping in this one is different. This is a green wrapper as opposed to the pink. Still good and fresh. Okay, it looks like we got another pop socket. These are popular. So now I have two of them. Cool. Probably gonna do a giveaway for you guys with the pop sockets. Ooh. Liquid Frost. I am so excited. Which one is this? Frozen Peach. That's a wearable shade. Give it to me. Open sesame. I'm ready. Let's go. Bitch. Oh my god. Excuse my shaking, but oh. Girl. Also, that comes out. She just really came out and she's ready to play and I'm really proud of her. I'm just gonna put it all over. We're just gonna, cause that was I really hope you guys can see that. That is absolutely blinding. Super smooth, it's not sticky. I've tried other liquid highlighters and this is not sticky. I think I could do this on top of foundation. Even though I'm kind of scared to, but like, we're doing this. Frozen peach, that's what's happening today. This is, of course, the same exact shade that we opened. This is the exclusive shade that was only in this collection, and I'm super excited to just keep it as a collector's item for as long as I can. But yeah, ooh, okay. Allegedly, oh, you guys, this is Lip Ammunition in the shade Allegedly, which is my all-time favorite. Besides, I think it is my all-time favorite liquid lip that I have. And it's currently in my purse right now. I carry it with me at all times. But to have an actual lipstick version of it, stop. Stop. Okay, no scent on that one. I feel like only some of the liquid lips have scents. Okay, what's this one? Ooh, this is another liquid lip. This is Karma. Okay, it says shake well before use though. Yeah, it says shake well before use. Maybe the other ones say that too, and maybe I'm just blind, but. Okay. Oh. Okay. She's green. She is serving muddy vibes. Not a huge fan of that one, actually. I don't actually ever foresee myself using that. Maybe on my eyes as like a liquid shadow. The packaging is amazing though. Maybe for some people, but don't think I would use that one. Overall, this medium-sized box was $40. I believe the liquid frosts are around 30, so I know for a fact that I got not only my money's worth, and I'm super happy with everything in here. The only thing I don't see myself using, again, is this green liquid lip, but everything else in here is phenomenal. Jeffree is just really killing it. I'm so proud of him. Okay, let's get it together. Focus. Focus. Okay, so we're just gonna keep all that. Okay, so we are down to the small box. This one was only $20. Just from the feel, it's definitely significantly lighter. I wonder what is gonna be in here. I really hope I don't get 3 pop sockets. That's the only thing. Like, I get it, they're mystery boxes, but like, I don't need 3. Ooh, okay, so we have the green tissue paper as well. Okay, pop socket, I called it. Okay, looks like we're doing a giveaway for anyone who wants a Jeffree Star pop socket in orange. And then it looks like we have 2 liquid lips here. The first one is from the summer collection. I believe, was it this year's? Maybe it was this year's. I don't know. I can't remember, but this one is yummy. And it's called Yummy. And let me just go ahead and pop it out for you guys. It looks like it's a nice color. Ooh, okay, so we have like a metallic orange moment. Just go ahead and swatch that on there. Ooh. Had way too much caffeine today. Okay, she's orange. She's really orange. She's like the oranger than anything I've ever seen. That's orange. I would use this as a topper. It's definitely metallic, which it probably, you can't tell as much because I have so much highlighter on this hand, but it's metallic-y. I could see myself using it as a topper for sure. This one, it looks like it's from my Christmas collection, just based on the red packaging. And it's a metallic packaging. It's called Self Control. It looks like it's a purple. So let me just go ahead and open her up. It is a purple. Now okay, I don't know if you guys can see this, and I'm not trying to get in trouble with anyone, but can you guys see the gunk that's on the outside of this that I just took out? It looks like, it doesn't smell like anything. It's almost like Vaseline. Just gonna clean that off real quick. Maybe it's just been sitting around too long. It smells fine. It looks fine. It's purple. Okay, let's go ahead and pop it on here. Okay, so ignore this super wonky swatch, but that is what it looks like with a super dark smoky eye for like a crazy event. Yes, I've done a purple lip before, would do it again. Overall, besides whatever was on the outside of this one, I like Self-Control a lot. This box was only $20. These liquid lips are pretty much $20 a piece, and I got 2 of them and a pop socket for 20 bucks. Worth. Totally worth it. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and pop on this lip and test out this highlighter, and I will be right back with you. Hi everyone, welcome back. I put on the lip. I tried this lip liner, and I also did the exclusive liquid lip, and I'm really liking how it looks on me. It is pinky, but it's like a nude pinky. It's not like the super hot pink that's over there somewhere. And yeah, I kind of like it. I might end up putting a topper on it, maybe some gloss. We'll see how I feel. I also, of course, put on the liquid frost on my Cupid's bow here. As you can tell, I'm literally glowing right at my nose, underneath my eyebrow, and a little bit over, just like a little pop, and I am loving it. Overall, this mystery box experience was probably one of the best mystery box experiences I personally have ever had. I got more than my money's worth in every single box for sure, and I'm super excited to announce to you guys that have stayed until the end of this video. I'll be doing a giveaway of 2 of the pop sockets. So if you guys do want to enter, it's just going to be on my Instagram. Super easy. Just head on over. It'll be the same rules as my other giveaways that I've done. Just leave a comment and I will send them your direction if you win. Thank you all so much for always being there for me and continuing to show me your support through all my various social media platforms. If you're new here, remember to subscribe down below. Like the video, and remember to leave me a comment of what you want me to do next, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.